Hi guys, welcome back. I'm your KIKICONIC, and if you're new here, welcome. So for today's video, I'm doing a Valentine's makeup using my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. So if you want to know how I did this look, all you have to do is just stick around and watch the entire video. Without further ado, let's go on with the transformation. To start, I'm using my Louisse base to put all over my eyelid and brow bone using my MAC 195 synthetic brush. I'm dipping my Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease brush in the shade Silk Cream, and I'm just putting it on just right above my crease. This will be my transition shade. Next shade I'm using is the Crimson Gold, using my Morphe E17 brush, and I'm just applying it into my crease. I'm starting from the outer corner of my eyelid and slowly building the color into my middle crease and inner corner. And then I'll go back using 228 Zoeva brush just to make sure they blended together. And now I'm using my 221S brush by MAC, dipping in the shade Roxanne, applying it to my outer corner just to darken the area and slowly bringing the shade above my crease and right into inner corner of my eyelid. And going back using my Morphe E17 brush to make sure it's nice and blended the eyeshadows. I'm using 231. This is the Luxe Petite Crease brush by Zoeva, dipping into Jags, that's J-A-C-Z, that's the Jags shade. I'm so sorry guys, I don't know how to pronounce that. So that's the shade of the palette to intensify the dark shade by starting in the outer corner, bringing all the way up into my crease and into inner corner. Cut my crease, I'm using my favorite Louisse base, using my MAC 195 synthetic brush, and I'm applying base on half of my lid. And then I swapped into a smaller synthetic brush. This is the Kryolan concealer brush number 11. I'm using it to make sure I have the precise line of my cut crease. And now I'm using this smaller brush and dipping it in the shade of Sissy. This is like a pink shimmer, and I'm applying it on halfway of my lid. Dipping my Morphe E36 in the shade of Obsessed and applying just right my inner corner. And now for my lower eye, I'm basically doing the same step how I did my eyelid, using the same shade of the palette and the brushes. For the eyeliner, I'm using my Fenty Beauty. And for the mascara, I'm using the Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. And I'm dipping my little brush from Morphe in the shades Royalty and applying it just below my waterline. Now I'm applying the shade Beam into my brow bone using my Zoeva 137 brush. And I'm using the same shade Beam. I'm applying it in my inner corner. For the lashes, I have these beautiful lashes. I bought it online. It doesn't have a brand, but they are stunning. Moving on with the contouring, I'm using this Morphe 8H palette and I'm using the shade Donut with my 126 Zoeva brush. I'm using a small brush to contour my nose. This is the Zoeva 227, applying with the shade Donut again from the Morphe 8H palette. And then I'm using Velvet Finishing Powder by Nikkia Joy Cosmetics to bake some areas of my face. For the blush, guys, I'm using my Blush Radiant Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Coastline. For the highlighter, I'm using my Zoeva 134 brush and dipping in the shade of Beam from the Morphe 8H palette. Now it's time to dust it off the powder of my baking using my Morphe E3 brush. To finish it off, I'm using my Fix Plus setting spray by MAC. I love this particular spray because it smells like coconut. To top it off, I'm adding extra glimmer using my Silver Lake Glimmer by Stilla. And for the lips, I'm using my MAC lip liner. This is in Strip Down. And I'm using my new Velour liquid lipstick by Jeffree in the shade of Candy S. So this is the final look of my Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe. Such an amazing palette. I'm in love with this one. I believe she released a new one, which is the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. I've ordered my one, so it should be arrived next week and I can't wait to use it and make another makeup transformation look for you guys. Anyway, so I hope you like this look on me. All you have to do is just comment down below or hit the like button. Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. All you have to do is just click the subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified when I have a new video. Anyway, I want to say thank you again for sticking around and watching my video. Have a great day, guys, and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!